Hello, and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the Michelangelo stainless steel sauce pan set, a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. This versatile set includes 3 saucepans in 1, 2, and 3 quart sizes, offering flexibility for cooking a variety of dishes. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these pans ensure your food's natural flavors remain unaltered, while the impact-bonded aluminum disc layer guarantees quick and even heat distribution, eliminating pesky hotspots. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and safe for oven and broiler use up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, these pans offer seamless cooking across different stovetypes. The mirror-finished stainless steel not only adds a touch of elegance but also makes cleaning a breeze, as they are dishwasher-safe and resistant to discoloration. Designed with comfort in mind, the ergonomically crafted stainless steel handles provide a sturdy grip, and the clear glass lids allow you to monitor your culinary creations effortlessly. Elevate your cooking experience with the Michelangelo Sauce Pan Set, where quality meets functionality in every meal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.